over the river, over the river, through the woods, the grounds has to go. To ear and far compulsory till it bleeds out snow.
Start it, Garrett. Just us three. Who's joining? Critical Brainiac.
TK Rizzer! TK Rizzer!
This guy's probably gonna get it because he's a hacker and he's a redneck. Look at his pants. See? You have to go over the whole thing. Critical Snake. You got this. Like, do without touching it. Yeah, that's not gonna work, dude. Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, everyone should shoot the balls right now.
Oh, this is the very beginning. I touched it, like, sniffed it.
Suck.
Holy Garrett, why the hell did you pick this place? That's not gonna work, dog. Come on, Critical Snake. How's even worse? You're gonna like tuck in at the end. Let me get the next one. This guy's like, why isn't this shit working? Apocalyptic Custom.
Oh, I think I know what you have to do. Alright, hold on.
Come on, Critical Viper.
Oh, what the fuck?
You can't touch it. It's called Over the Top. Why are you gay? That's gay. That doesn't even freaking count. You're gay. That's so gay. Let me get it. You're gonna lose. Wow, he wasn't even close. Critical Viper, Critical Snake, Critical Cobra.
What do you want for my life, nigga?
Dude.
Orgasms!
Critical Cobra, you got this. So you gotta jump to the side, like the very side. That's gay. How's you gotta do it? It's not gonna count. Ah, told you.
Rack City bitch, Rack City bitch, Rack City bitch, out of my police. We all saw penis at the game.
You can only work on my left side.
That kid's just fucking stupid.
I rage. Let me do the next one. I know how to do it. I know how to do it. Wow, gay. Probably. I told you this place sucks ass.
Oh my god!
The grab phone.
What
I
the
know. What the hell? Oh, let me just set it, because they're gonna mess up. Critical Cobra.
Surrounded by militia, they about to amass me lastly. You want be gas and blast. It's a gunfight. New fight to the death. It's a gunfight. Don't bring no knives, no fists.
Penis!
What the hell?
It's a gunfight. New fight to the death.
No.
Don't bring no knives, no fists. It's a gunfight.
Ah, balls.
Jittery, but the weed is behind me. I've been sipping since 1250. Now tipsy and blind. I'm convinced into the city square.
I told you this place sucks ass.
Got out of city jail and word is.
Yeah, but this guy's like
Back me in black
figuring out how to
He's like,
quit.
there's a giant penis in my butt.
town. We don't call lawmakers. We take a dispute into our own hands. Cock pistols, take bases and shoot. I hear
Where does nigger go? He's fucking retarded.
full in the bushes. It's just the old view. Paranoid.
Wow, he doesn't get a letter.
Grab me by the shoulder.
Is that water on your head working?
Redness, the shit is reaching.
Go, you idiot!
Yeah, I know, right? Nigger!
That was before you even like got up to it.
Penis!
Apocalyptic Custom 317.
Yo, you fat ass bitch. I don't like your damn pants. You the fuck with camouflage shit. How the fuck you supposed to
That's what
match
APLK is
shit? You
true
don't got
for.
no damn bitch. You got no damn butt. You better move from the last 5 seconds and fucking your mom, you dumb cunt.
The time expires, you don't get a letter? Wow. So whenever someone is
Here we go. Here we go.
So whenever someone does a hard trick, just don't do anything.
Ding, ding, ding.
Actually, now it doesn't matter because we already did that.
Get up.
Yay! Here, please put the freaking game.
Oh,
how are we gonna win? What the hell?
Alright, I got this fat guy. Alright, hold on. Hold up, girlfriend.
Okay, man. That's what he did! Freaking.
Rage quit!
Maybe he went over like the very corner of it and counted.
Black people, my sweet brethren!
Dude, never pick this freaking map again, I told you. Yeah, he probably is. Come on, critical Cobra.
Nigger!
What are you doing? Let's try the next one. So we're just gonna end this shit. Critical. Oh.
Penis! Penis! Penis!
Got this, Care Bear. Oh! Guys, looking up cheese. Trying to figure out the concept of this. Has he figured out that you're not supposed to grind yet? Oh, critical serpent. Wow. Plank. What are you doing? That wasn't even close. Let me just get this. Like, I want to freaking end this already. It's like, what?
Glitch!
I know what I'm doing. He's like you stand thrill and like press RT and he'll be like, dude, not even close. He did like a nollie 360 flip.
Not even word heal, you stupid asshole.
Wow, it counted, but oh, you're dead. Finish them off. Guess what? I'm still gonna win.
Shut the fuck up.
Wow, what the hell?
Maggie!
He figured out how to do it. It's like you push your buttons, you gotta press. Yeah, do exactly what he did.
Balser!
Yeah, across the map. He's gonna get it wrong, and I'm gonna own him with the Ollie 180. Yeah, that's right.
You're so fucking cool grinding that curb.
No! Freak! I said I press all the bail buttons instead of grab. He wants to take a urinal.
Get on out of here, 'cause I've been in the right place. Been a wrong time.
Stop masturbating and play the game.
Oh, wow.
Right road, but I must took the wrong turn. I took the right move.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh!
Not over that. Pick the pavilion. The pavilion, dog. Ah, you bitch.